If you're forecasting cash flow for your business, startup, or a finance role, watch this before you go wrong. Hi, and welcome to the YouTube channel of MindCypress. Here are the top 5 mistakes people make in cash flow projections and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Overestimating sales. We all want to believe our business will grow fast. But projecting unrealistic sales without data is a red flag. It makes your cash inflows look healthier than they are, leading to overspending. Base projections on historical data and use conservative growth assumptions. Mistake 2. Ignoring payment delays. Just because you invoice today doesn't mean you get paid today. Many businesses forget about accounts receivable delays. You may run out of cash even when your income statement looks great. Build realistic timelines and add a buffer for late payments. Mistake 3. Underestimating operating expenses. Many projections miss variable costs, rising utility bills, marketing spikes, or emergencies. Your cash outflows balloon. Review past expenses, include a 5 to 10% contingency, and update your forecast regularly. Mistake 4. No working capital adjustments. Cash flow isn't just revenue minus expenses. You must factor in inventory, receivables, and payables. Use a working capital schedule and metrics like DSO and DPO to plan accurately. Mistake 5. Not updating the forecast. Too many treat projections as one-time tasks. But business changes constantly. Review your projections monthly or quarterly and adjust based on performance. Recap. Avoid these mistakes to make your projections more reliable and your decisions more confident. Are you ready to start your career in finance with the right guidance?